Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by making a safe workspace. Save open files and close apps so nothing is lost. Once done, create one temporary folder called Inbox on the desktop and move every loose file into it. This instantly reduces visual noise and preserves content. Next, turn on Icon Auto-Arrange or Align to Grid so icons line up neatly. Doing these first steps gives you a clean baseline. You can now evaluate what truly belongs on the desktop versus what should be archived. You now convert the temporary inbox into an organized system. Sort files by type or date to spot duplicates and junk, then delete or archive what you don't need. Once sorted, pin 3 to 6 frequently used apps to the taskbar or start menu, and remove their desktop shortcuts so you reduce clutter and speed access. Create labeled folders like Work, Personal, Media, and Installers, and move grouped files into them. This step makes retrieval fast and keeps the desktop visually simple and functional. You finish by refining and automating maintenance. Run disk cleanup or enable storage sense to remove temporary files and free space, and set a weekly reminder to tidy the desktop so it stays clean. Make sure backups run to cloud or an external drive to protect anything you archive. If icons or layout revert after changes, restart Explorer. EXE or check your Cloud Sync settings for conflicts. Fixing those restores the arrangement and prevents future surprises, so your clean home screen.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.